Hello.
I'm with Alma.
Good afternoon, one them.
There was
Ada. Eziokwu na-adị nụ na ntị nwanne m ma mechaa bụrụ ndụ. Eziokwu na-adị ilu na ntị nwanne m ma mechaa bụrụ ndụ. Ị na-anụ maka egwu a? Eziokwu na-adị ilu na ntị nwanne m ma mechaa bụrụ ndụ. Eziokwu na-adị ilu na ntị ma mechaa ya bụrụ ndụ na-adọkwa ndụ. Ịghọtago? So the truth na-adị bitter. Ada ka m kelegodi nwanne m onye nwe chekwaba gị ndụ nka nka ka m na ya n'isi gị n'ezinụlọ gị maka na nna meta ihe ọma nna metere na-eso ụmụ ya nne meta ihe ọma metere na-eso ụmụ ya emere somebody na my village arụ o mere oge ọ dị ndụ ihe niile o mekọrọ taa ma ọ na-eme ọ na-asọ ya ụmụ ya na-ata afụ ya today adịghị mma nka dị mma mmiri ọ ihe na-eso ndị dị ọta nwanne m jisi ike ka m bido from Kai Television ịwụ onye ụchụ Chineke ga-abụ gị ọnụ ịbụ onye arụmala Kai Television so protest na-adị gị mma mana ya platform ka ijiri condemn o protest Simon Ekpa your platform ka ijiri sonye ga protest Simon Ekpa
thank you.
Chineke bụ gị ọnụ ịhụna na ọrụ bụ ndị arụ n'ịnọ ya asọmpadị nwaanyị sọ onye gawa ya ọkwa iji nwaanyị n'ụlọ nwunye ọpụba ọhụrụkwa aba ọhụrụ owere ụhụ Enugwu something that will cost them a day nwoke nọ n'ụlọ pụta n'ụlọ si ọrụ lọta ọhụdụ nwunye ya na-achọzi nwunye ya ọhụrụ gị ka ọ ga-esi were dịrị gị ịhụrụ ụlọ these people are evil. You people are evil. Kai Television, or can I drink him?
All right, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? So I just want to quickly react on this. It may be long, but I will try my best to summarize, this nonsense that this gang of senseless individuals. You gather yourself for just to attack Kai report, which is normal. I expected it. But the thing is that I have a reason why I tried the video to start from this man, this ghost. Who's the name of this idiot never. That man that called Lazubanan, that you just heard his voice. If you want to go and can at table, or Mandalay Chino Manake, or Mandalay no Maka Maniafo, or Mandalay no Maka Manako, or Mandalay Manicanore. Achangia, Okoko. Gene, what do you know? It can't even change what normally even the boss will be serving they saw here. No, a tiki state. In a Kai report na madre maneke. Last be man a wall no well if them on a corner, no if you corner, eba kaya chinky sign. Now that reason why I start from that because I just want to say something. I have made a video before on this so-called allegation that Kai report is against protests in Simon Ekpa. You guys maybe you don't understand English, maybe. Even though my English is not, I'm not Chinachebe, right? Basic English, just very simple one, street English though. You still find it difficult to comprehend. I said I don't want to advertise it on my platform because I knew those that were planning for that protest. And I don't want to condemn it because if I run program on that, they will say, oh, you are attacking, you are stopping people from protesting for Simon Ekpa. Secretly, can report, oh, you can advertise. Why don't you use a platform to advertise? I said I don't want to because I already know. Didn't have plan for that protest. There are nobody. These are people who want to be relevant by fire by force. I knew from day one. I don't want to run program on that. I said I don't want to advertise it. That I'm not against it. I am not in support. I just want to be myself. If you want to go, you should. I never for once said don't go. Then I said that somebody said here on my platform, what we call her, that people should not go there because maybe like I don't know why is such a here that you are watching now. use her platform where she was running propaganda on some of the women that went to Finland for conversion. That they went there with Nsinacha. She's the one that said this Nsinacha for the first time. The person used that thing to say that who knows if they're going to, if this is the protest, they're going to use the same poison and all that. I said with that in my own platform, I was actually responding to that person that no matter what it is, whether they are giving poison or not, that's not my business. I am not going to say anything on that. If you want to go, please, you should go. I said it many times on my platform. But for the fact that this Ozu always call for anything, just want to contribute in anything evil, he copied that part and twisted it that the kind report is against protest for Simon Ekpa. Really? You don't know me. I am not the kind of person that do this kind of, that if I don't like you, I will start painting you bad. No. I cannot even come out now and begin to quote Nwayi Ocha out of context because she's going gaga. No. I will tell you what she said. That is the reason why I'm actually playing her voice and her video so that you will hear it. It will not be kind report said. Because mistake management on social media can get a long way to destroy many things. So playing some of the video is not because I love playing anybody video. Like I'm not like you, why? So that you say that my voice, my presence, my picture, my video, everything irritate you. You know you are lying. I'm not. How can I irritate you? I don't irritate you. It's just that you don't like me because I am supporting something good. All right. You said again that Nana support because that's your trademark now. From because this video, please let me make it clear. I am not responding to everybody that contributed that called on this video. I'm actually responding to three people. One is this Ozu and Eba, this man Bona Oyabo. One am afọ HM Iko to utility. Iko to look is more professional and more decent than this one. This man, he's a criminal. He don't have name. I'm not giving that boy why he's Ocha. This one, he very cunning. That's why I say he's a ghost. This guy don't have name, no name, no identity. You can only know due to his masculine voice that he's a woman and he's a thick Imo State accent. Nothing more. Apart from that, nothing more. A common central Igbo self now work or not go there. You know, so I common sense in that. Everybody's carry body. So you not like a protest, but you against some protest. You can swear no if you not if you could not if you can you swear? And yet in the school for next talking at table. Look at the story that you are sharing online. Now one man on a fortune at village again and the fortune makes his own mind because the village they produce the fortune. Just look at you. You are an ambassador of your village. I get you notice the man of village get up to. There's any for your village is known for evil. That's what I'm trying to say. And you're a product of one. Who knows he could be your father? In the if on agụ na-ege nsogbu ndị a na-abụ ije ka ha mee mmadụ ife ọjọọ ahụ emechara bag hit ya badly ọ na-akọ erezi ị na-achọ ya ka ya dị ọcha. Then last you keep on saying that Kai report you are supporting ife ọjọọ ị na-egbu na ị na-akwafe ọbara ma ị na-asụpọtụ na-akwafe ọbara. So ịmachara ife dị na right now. I have asked ndị otu gị. You guys keep on saying that COS is not the butcher matter, not the boom matter, USB in the boom the man, and atom matter. I said, on what angle? Some of you said that during the time of recruitment, because that's where you guys always hold hand. During the time of recruitment, that the youth that went for recruitment, that they didn't make it out and all that, even fall deep and fall back Republic and this Lasoba Republic, and all of them are pointing finger at a recruitment issue. Then you guys was able to tell us the figure that more than 3,000 youth disappeared because of that recruitment. Wow. Okay. Then I asked, you guys have platforms from A to Z, all of you. You know yourself, you know your gang. You guys have platform. Why don't you use your platform? Call out 100 people. 100 out of 300. Is it too much? 100 families that lost their loved ones to appear on your platform, on their camera, share the story, what happened to their siblings. Before change. All I'm asking for you is proof. I am not here for anybody. I am here for what I know that is upright. not because of anybody. Oh, you actually think that USB is all about US? It's not about her. She have her life. She have a job. She have her family. So if you don't like, maybe imani kachogara ko bubu ya. If you feel that na ife niile a na-ekwu na just to promote CS na ọkacha njọ na ebe CS nọ na ọ na-egbu ndị ma na ọ na-egbu ncha na ya na Caterpillar ya na Okis Fire like you guys normally do. All the claim from Biafra Unite, all of them no proof, nothing. No na-achụ maja na proof, just simple proof. We can tell you of the DOS, we can see the proof everywhere. You can see if they are even claiming it. But you guys will turn around and say that CS is doing that, then bring proof. None of you have platform to expose that so that Biafrans matter in KNMM, Komajan about us or no, you won't do that. Yet you want people to believe you, you want people to take that serious. And that brings me to okay, the blue gamba handbag he gave Bob Pierce. The clear said that he is the one that built my platform. You build my platform. I may even play your video, but I just want to let people to know the whole world. Anybody have access to this video because I don't want to say Biafrans, non-Biafrans do watch. Anybody can watch. All right. I know what you guys don't like it when I say that I'm a content creator. I'm not hiding it. All right. You say you're a freedom fighter. I'm coming to you, Lazuba, because I will tell you what you should be doing. Since you to protect Anibon Naumajan. The same you will twist everything. Like I said, I have 3 people to address. First thing I have the first one is to talk to this this Ozunama. Not talking a phone, no identity, no name, no picture, what nothing. But issue of originally email my camera attack because it's a man check can nagi. Nagi me before George, you know, I don't before John Nagi me so, but that's why you think that everything we good. That anybody that say something that you don't like. You are trying to transfer aggression and maybe iniquity to the person's children and family and lineage. You are the one paying if the one that your father have done. That's why you actually telling us the story. Nobody in your family, in your community committed anything that holding them down. Looking at you, you a gunner. That's why everybody is a suspect to you because you are senseless and you are very, very dubious. I can't report this na protest. So president don't game. Only keep protest na gade kwenka. At your age, you can't even why you social boy na run no program media cho every low one. Work back. Work keep working na. Man on na run no program media cho na ku chill go no. O president be plans na that kid stick no go abon no kulai. That statement there, you exposed yourself, obvious. I don't know who you are. Honestly, I don't care. You said you built my platform. I'm coming to you. Now, obvious. You claim that you followed me when I was struggling to have 100 views, not 100 live views. I don't know which of them. But one thing you need to understand that a journey of 1,000 smiles, a journey of 1,000 smiles begin with one step. Platform Motolon Kela Zuba. This is your madam. This is madam. This is your president now. Platform Motolon Kia. Madam, what madam we had one of her program shared by PM in the PM's platform. Or cabinet member. My program is in PM the wall. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, my second platform you are mocking yourself about that I built a second platform because if it is one way issue that you participated. I don't take it for granted. Just like why you saw chain after no go with 50 view more one of the people. The time on our life on the Canadian I watch. I was one of the people watching her. I followed her closely. I don't joke with her, even though she was talking out of phone. Only check a JRM program on my collaboration and platform. I know before someone's encouraged before I can't mock her. Like I told you, a journey of 1,000 smiles begin with one step. All right. So that you subscribe to me, I appreciate you for doing that. Later, of course, now I know you have subscribed yourself and you are no longer coming. I know your name Obieze, but I don't even, I'm a kind of person that I hardly accuse people of what I'm not sure of. That's why I tell you that this is my own opinion. Because I'm a Nandi Kuno, they didn't know how to use or feel by in a work. You put in a soft on a because from day one, I'm a trend with the caution. I don't talk anyhow. If I say you something, I will tell you my stand. And I will always open room for correction. Because I brought much in I don't have eyes everywhere. Okay, I can only see what is in front of me. That does not mean that I cannot predict. I can't predict, but I cannot tell you categorically clear, categorically clear that this thing is this way or it's that way because I see it and I know it. No, I have to be open. I have to tell you what I feel, my feeling, my opinion, because I'm an Andy Guru now copy. O could twist there, could narrative doesn't in our offer. So in our only he take it badly. Or no, you look like an awagi. Only he take well because I'm get anything. I bump somebody now like a Gaddafi. So I appreciate you for building the platform. Likewise, every other person. I appreciate you. And I also appreciate you that you find what I'm saying now as a taboo because I felt that this plan you guys are doing is not healthy. If you want to fight for freedom, fight for freedom without adding any sentiment. No, it's not, I don't know COS. I have not talked to her one-on-one. She have not sent anybody to talk to me. Mana guna ide kwe. Ita dokwa ma blow for give swear for give to say swear na car report is being paid, it's being paid. In a queer natural because I'm na you are digging your own downfall, not me. I did not receive any funding from anybody. We see in Akumo Wayapata. All right. I bought a rich person, no, but I'm okay. Chineke na-emelo ya afa. In Awata. So he can aside in Kafa. Then you said that my picture should not be played at all. You don't want my picture to be played. You don't want me to should remove my picture. That your platform, this platform is for Majana. I want to see the game. You don't know guys. One of this platform now last name Yabo Lazuba. Or Lazuba Basondo Majana. It's now it's guys right. I'm not going to do it again. It depends anywhere. Or is it Panaka, is it more, is it mother? I don't know your age. In Awata. Mana, okay, lapi make okay, music or Mars. In Awata. A gave you on came, I want to go Mars. You are the one insulting yourself. I don't know your age because I've been keeping the age in the mother and all that. I don't know your age. You can see my picture, I can't see yours. And I don't even wish to see yours. Because if my look irritate you, my voice irritate you, that means you are an evil man. Unu chakle munu na gana mo, unu doje na mo. In that your man for self, you can't put a more boy ojo. Why I need to put on that again? It's because I know myself. I can swear with anything you want, as long as you can also swear with what I want. Kamala my game because I believe in on a dog in it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. All those NFL you mother me, you know, say me. Can you live upright life? Can you go akaga water? Lazuba na ekwu okwu ịkwafu ọbara 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 abụọ m Chineke na-ajọjọ mmadụ ọ gụọ ma nke ị na-eme na nzuzo ịma your contribution ịma because you said that they support ife ọjọọ bụ na aka ya afọ nọkwa n'ọbara you are judging yourself but imam push m ka m kwue ebe m achọrọ ịga I have resolved not to talk about Biafra Liberation Army or run program on them. I know why. I don't want to do that. I can't do anything. That's why when they are sharing this, I don't share it. I have my reason. I don't share what I'm not sure of. All this room, anybody can cook up story to survive and everything. Because if you want to tag CS with all what somebody said, and it's in and they follow margin, and that and like that. Stella, in a quote because I heard one of your mushroom followers on the comment section, saying that Kai report said that he don't know Stella, but Stella he always come to his platform. So you have named one person Stella, and that for nobody, no other person will just the name Stella. Omokoko. The person that called them because I listened to the part where some of these Onubu traders union association non a group again. Follow from Nwayi the Nwayi believe Yereme Nwayi Yereme ya giri poju na platform again. See na Kai report. Then this one the Kai report is this. I'm not here. I don't respond to them because they are inconsequential, highly inconsequential. The person called Drama Queen Nefologi Lazuba. Now my own platform, she claimed to be a sister to Butozo. Careful the level of lies and deceivers. Now again, no, they called again. The one called Simon Chidubemepa, following you also, was a spanner holder on my platform. I kicked him out. Not so he was preaching to me to follow, to fall back, to fall back. I blocked him, kick him out. The other one called innocent, hype or innocent, is still sneaking to my platform off and on. Open a platform, go now, kind report is this, then he come to me and General Biafrans, I greet you. Saboteurs everywhere, senseless individual. I don't blame them trooping on your platform, praising you because this is what they're known for. They are bonding a family for job like that ghost. This is that these are people, candidate of such people, product of Indian family for job. This is the result. They will surround your platform, they will be there contributing. Now you pollute everywhere because your platform is meant for that. Gwa m onye isi dị mma gị na ya nọ na ndị a na-akpọ gị na na-eprezi gị. Nobody from A to Z, nobody mention one Obieze ojina ahụ Obieze ji ahụ ọkwa sị na ya chọrọ ịbụ adị emeti ọfụma. For how long? You guys, your own is to mention ndị na-emeti ọfụma na ndị na-emeti ọfụma. Are you not old enough to lead? You claim that Biafran Liberation Army is you guys having contact, you guys are dying and wanting to get everything is all right, good, moving fine. Why don't you use your money, your platform, not your money, and raise money? Look, call on the way. In a me and then people will not join you then. You may William. But no, everyone no is a criminal. Ngozi best is a criminal. Imam Badabo is a criminal. Eggman is a criminal. That one, I reserve my comment. Mazi Akwa Eggman can, that one, of course, it is obvious he's a criminal, judging by what his role from Finland to this moment. All right? So, Mazi Akwa is a different ball game. But I don't know Imam Madabo. But what, like I said, if open and they could on social media, I don't know you. Mommy feeling better, beg, mommy feeling better. Otu anyị na-ekwu na gị na Biafra United na mma. Biafra United kịta mechie program in the evening ga rọb moto n'abalị isi ya ịma. Ekwe mara right until you get proof it matters na ọ na-eme fedo dey. But you don't reason that way. You actually believe that everyone supporting USB is a supporter of evil. Ndị na-egbu ọchụ. Ajọ na gị wetene proof ndị ọchụ anyị na-ekwu na na-egbu. Nke abụọ na mmadụ ebe ị ga-post ya. Record the video or come live with live people, live individual. About me go AI because I'm gonna hear about and they go real people. Gap or now upon a phone and I know voice. And on that one, now we are about the 30 years. Got we got me if you don't and if you know oh yeah, this family okay, for family okay, family okay, okay. Family daughter, this is little daughter. Now what okay? Galebe dota, Gable dota, never na phone with the name and opota. You get me you can't. Mana every day. Oh, ngasa pese. Ana egbo majana. Azonangi. Onda ajana ne buke mo se mela kwambo so. E won nke ana egbo na buy you. Don't get it twisted. Don't get me wrong. Everything I name owolo ebe na ewo jojo. But you cannot just target this kind of thing on somebody because you don't like the person. Now, if you don't like the person, maybe this is your own way of pushing people away from her and form another group that you want, right? Is it not time for you to pay more attention to the right person that you know that you want to lead? It's not time. It's not. Why don't you do that? You can't. Because you are not meant for anything progressive. You are not. Even the man know you are nke kwa bi kwatu nke ndị ọzọ na-eme. Gị na Obieze ma ndị a na me ke your aim. Ọ na-abụ okay pụta na-eme something. Owe target. What is your target? What is your objective? Na 3 months time. Na anyị ga-ewe social group, na anyị ga-receive data, na ife anyị ga na-emezi n'ebe anyị ga na-aga. This is what we'll be doing. You don't have something like no plan. Oh, tupu kwacha akpọrọ gị pụta. Then you talked about what I said because you don't listen. In a twist, you feel too much. In a twist, so bad. I say that now. na spell ikwu ịga mee protest na mụ nwa find ya ife dị okay na-ege ekwentị because of what happened in the past. I wasn't referring to your story about motor jack. It's not what motor jack, but no. What happened in the past is because each time our people protest na Igbo and tear gas na ya na agba egbe gbuo ndị mmadụ. Owolo ị ga-agwa gị na ya mahụ this thing ka bụ eziokwu. Are you getting the point? That's what I was talking about. Nobody is. I cannot be back at na support ka I got protest on Nigeria. Why will I do that? Why will I do that? Even we issue with if you could that they say that no goes or there's a plan there. But him we made the video. You have talked to the person. You show him on goes or that way. Even if you have listened, because if you are following this agenda in the go oh, if you're gonna son. Imam quote to out of context. That's number one. You could find Nekuro and Ibo na senso. I believe Bugari also in the Bugari Zuna no Topon Ibo. Are you willing to keep that? Can you maintain that dignity? The truthfulness? You got address. Ndị na say that na dey be ikpe n'ọnụ ofo ya. There's a reason. Aje dị be ikpe n'ọnụ ofo ya. So, ọ bụgo na that woman gwa gị, let's assume na Stella gwa gị, na ngozi gwara ya. And in the follow if aja na anaghị na-ekwu ya. What you should have done is to reach out to Ngozi. Ask her, nwanne m nwanyị, biko, ife adota eziokwu ikwuru ya before you can now seal your word. Mana ikwu aka n'ike ịkwụrụ ụka. Iti aka n'ike itile okwu ozugbo. Gị na ibuli agbawa ka gwongoro. Amamazi anything no. Ya na ị na-agbasa you don't remember na iwe break. Ndị for those mushroom women ndị ụmụaya tileti gị na platform na-akọ dịcha ka ife ụmụaya si okwe ma ife a na-ekodo nkịrịka akwa na-ekodo n'ugbo ọka amami makwa na imam ịkọrọ ọrụ ugbo ọ ga-abụ because amam aya ilugo ndị ga n'ime maybe no maybe na ndị Sudan na-ada aka ọka but if you're a farmer from iwe ana Igbo ị ga-amata ife na-ekwu ebe akọ rice ma ugbo ọka o nwere nkịrịka akwa ga-ekodode because of utobo ma maybe all this wild animal ịbịa na-aga bọsọ ife ịkọ ọpụta ndị ife egwu ọ dị aka onye onye ubi nọ n'ubi ya ọ na-agba ọsọ mana ikodo akwa ụmụ nwaanyị ụtụpụta were aka ekpe datụrụ ya taa ọka taa ya jajaja so ụmụ nwaanyị na-akpọ gị na fon otu esi efoto ife ekodo n'ugbo ọka ka nsa afụta these are not they are classless woman being. I don't need to waste my time. All of what their mentor you are their mentor na onye ji gị mezere mentor mazị gịnị fọziri onye nke onye ji gị wana mee mentorship ka fọzi the person onye ka agwana na so ma gị ma obi eze ma ife all those achịkọta ekwu na gị na ha na-akọ nonsense. I don't have their time. I just want to respond to you. Amakwa ife a na-ekwu it doesn't make any sense to you because ịma na ọkwa ị ga-enwe sense before if make any sense. You need to have brain first.
I'm telling you. You man
because now all of my wait for this voice can never away you can down. He came home na this voice. Even the men but I made sons of program but actually sons of program on the move sons of this voice can make him a program.
Her agenda is to drag this woman behind the voice called Stella. Can you forget why I said John? Because she didn't know what say that now somebody said they said that thing. They said that this voice is said to leave over now. One on the same group. Because what woman do is to she have another number. Every group of naked.
I forgot how stupid this guy is. No, let me show him.
Oh, plus stupid. I am saying it based on what you are doing on your platform. I don't live with you. I don't live with your phone, and I will prove to you that because you have to go account today. Now you have another video. You have the account, na flex account, na a flip piano, social media, na account, na the woman, the woman. I'm here now, my organized one on, and I will tell you why. Listen.
Guy television, let me show you something.
Yeah, show me. Let me hear.
Asia, ono na to, ono ya to Asia, ono fu ase, ono abago, ono ayetite.
Now your program, like I said, it's a matter of having common sense. your video is in a that's number one. We can only work on what you said in your video. I cannot equal story out of what you said from your video. If see that they send this video, as you are saying that they send the video, you let her call that woman. How can somebody send you somebody's audio together with the person's number? Well, how will I know that they request a number separate? Are you getting the point? So always send the regia, and I don't believe it. I don't believe it because did I play a voice note, he play Lebanon, and then send them the voice. Why don't you play the response of that person? Anyway, let's hear. Let me just understand what I said.
I just want to show you something.
Ocha go record it. Say, yeah. Let's see.
Kai TV, Nenya,
what if I have here? How can I reflect on the screen? Let me check for you. What if I have? What if I have? You will system. Just share the screen. Share the screen.
Kai television, Nenya, Stella, with his son and the number. Kai television.
Anna
never lie.
What if I follow here?
No. The last person you throw my jana say. Kai television Nenya.
Okay, what the listener?
Or through the name and the telephone number. Or Stella.
No. He's not coming out. He's not coming out. He's not coming out. Oh, what if
this person sending him this number?
Okay, now let me tell you something. Never actually bring it down. You can make a mistake. I don't mind respond to your video to bring you down. That's number one. Open if you nature, you are mistaken. Open nature, that's what I don't only Magwiki bring it down, but USB government if they want. Yes, they have what it takes to bring you down. Okay? And this is that now Nancy that the match of choir, the more actually any problem, any problem with anybody. Now that's the way you put that in. That means you don't watch my video, but you want to respond to me. Before I can react on a video, I have to watch that video. So I will not quote you out of context. So you don't almost on my video, I always tell you that I'm not here to fight anybody. I am not here to, that's my own mantra too. If you don't know, that's my own mantra because I don't want to say something out of context. I always tell you, I don't support killing. I don't support kidnapping. I don't support anything violent. Okay? We don't promote evil here. If you think that we are promoting evil, then bring us proof. So we cannot start supporting you. When you lack proof, you don't bring proof. You want us to follow you. That means you are the one who want to kidnap me. You want to kidnap us. So you cannot tell me that I'm supporting evil and technically you want to kidnap me. Why don't you tell me? Like I've told you, I have talked to you with Lazuba, one-on-one on phone. We have exchanged conversation. I have not done the same thing with CSO. Are you getting the point? But no matter how close you appear to me, I cannot deviate from what I know that is right thing to do. I don't sentiment. All right? So don't go there. And I know you to an extent based on the few times that we exchange conversation. I already know the kind of person you are. But I'm not going to further anything here about it. But you yourself know what I'm talking about. You know. Now, let me just, where's that, the one who plays it? Let me see. Before we move to Obieze, let me play this. There's something I said here that she responded to that. And in fact, this video is all about Kai reports though. And I cannot repeat the part that I felt like is worth responding to.
And then Biafran fathers, Biafran mothers. Offer the link by them. Mabuyo weather. And if you know you commit the natural cogas. And this to in case if you are Biafran,
this is my voice.
And you have access to this video. Be careful of what you are putting in WhatsApp. That WhatsApp group.
Pay attention.
Si vous dormez dans cette position, vous détruisez votre corps et votre respiration. L'apnée obstructive du sommeil survient lorsque les voies...
This woman could be.
Because no one voice he live. Yes, na true. Well, see na ndị nna anyị na the whole 40 na in the Agwafa, na the whole 40 states here with the luxurious and the cars. When I drive down to Nabanchani, down to Abuja to go and protest. And down I will let go.
This could be the recent WhatsApp link that she has made on her handle. And then Biafran fathers, Biafran mothers. Or for the link by them.
Yeah.
Makuyo with them. And you could know you come international Kogas. And this to if you are Biafran
On a
and you have a certificate. Be careful.
Mana is open.
WhatsApp.
I want to make to us.
Onyo amadu no with a group do twa.
Ema. Now you remember she told you just now that she don't know that Newe group would do that for ya. Nege Quenti. She just told you. Na amaro know a group would do na Oma. The next video she did, watch this is another video. After this one that I just played now, this is another video, her recent, her current one. Hear what she said here.
Account ngwazala beze wopta. Tinye na criminal gang group ole o mepele.
Inania.
Akpokoroto ụmụ aja na-egbuchasị.
Okay, forget. We have the WhatsApp group Nkumaki also na yamode maki anchancha. Na yamode maki anchancha. Mana back you know what I'm just saying maybe it's not that the WhatsApp group, but the WhatsApp group is USB group. And I don't believe that anybody sent anything to her. Forget about the call negotiation and screen not clear. I don't believe it. Was I'm a say why I have to go. No? So it's it all that and all there can babundu. Very, very easy.
Imata was Saturday. But when to call for account, now that is stupid the group. Upon now one on your owner. When you're using that and they get if an amalaki if a group is snap. Eji mono no you're a god. Unless no meet the group.
Well, if I would age and a book was secret. That's what he don't know because but obviously as a tonto. He's telling their members, you know, even up at all, say that na you got that na a couple of years, no, that ghost. Now, up at all, say that na umaka go ni when up go ni make something in the secret. Na umaka go mo yi gagwe. Na the kweba na group say Lazuba. Although Lazuba na more the kind na Donald Trump was the same on the na aka joke. The my man also. I'm gonna have okay. Oh my goodness, please! I don't have time for this nonsense. Oh, ebe dị usuku that ebe this anọ ọhịa this ghost na ebe o kwuru utobo ọfịa na ebe ọ nọ call that nonsense and ọbata obie kwuru ya bụrụ maka nke ọ bụrụ maka Nwayi isi ọcha Nwayi isi is not ọbata obie and this woman she knows her terrain, she know what she's doing anyway. You said that no, if ọjọọ ga-eso go otu ikwuru ya ka ọ ga-adị n'isi gị n'isi n'ụwata ụwa gị niile and ọ bụrụ na ya ka mmadụ ọcha n'ife ị na-ekwu ị ga-adị ndụ n'azụ because he deserve ihe ọma ịbụ onye ọjọọ emere video maka gị before mana Nwayi isi ọcha o play such video they break that platform like nke ame na she will not play this one. You see this video now, she's not gonna react on it. She will play it first. Honestly, play na that group, na life, yeah. Like come nke ofi na oge play, what they play, ona act as if if I force someone and even go there. Liars, and I know psychologically, I know you how you think. All this nonsense in the cook up in your mind. Think it that you are smart, you are not. You might ask me, ewu machaka mana on ewu ade cook. In our and madam, ụmụaka Igbo ama ndị ndị na-ewodoro mpu wee kpọọ ya nkọ n'isi. Anọta akụpụ ya bụ ụmụ arụ na efegharị ka mmadụ kotu ume. If you know, you know. Ị na-akọtu and ịma na ị na-akọtu. So nwoke na-asụ ọfọ na-edeclare evil n'ebe ya na ụmụaka nọ na ezinụlọ gị. Ọ ga-edere gị n'isi n'oge otu isi wee suo ya. Ịma na ọ na-abụ mmadụ mee biznes o mee gain expect, so ọ ga-abịara gị na mmaji kwuru mmaji. Ị ga-eri rie ọfa gị n'eze fọpụta gị ma na ntị. Nke bụ na ụwa gị ọzọ osisi kpọrọ nke akara gị mma. Let's go to the man called Obieze before I end this. Okay, na-afụ Obieze. I just hear what this one said. Obieze. Eche na m eze nke Igbo, eze nke Igbo bịa cheche n'imechi ya chee na-asị eze ndị ebe. Eze ndị ebe ka a na-ekwudo okwu ya ife a. Eze ndị ebe Obieze. You say something here that na ị ga na platform of an ọbọkwa ebe na platform na si make invite. Among so ị na-ekwu na nke onye ga na nke the time na o mege invite ma ya ka ị na-ekwu o mege invite. Okoko ya asa adọrọ gị mma n'ọnụ because ị ga-enwe brain it honestly asị dị ka eziokwu na if ị na-akọ it, you cannot prove otherwise, you cannot give what you don't have. Ị ga-enwe something. Ịma na oge data ozu chọrọ ikwu kai report last ba zoom my picture ọ na-eme na church. I am about to let me dress Kai report. Let me dress Kai report. Now, more inanimate object and object. The one about Obieze. Na Kai TV abro Igbo. Obieze, in on America, right? You need to give me. I want to give me very difficult. You put it pass again. Okay, maka na ibo ya ka mizikwa Bible verse ga ị ga-agụ. Iposi pass gị. Chinite aja America. Wee kwuo okwu ọ bụ na ka report abụrụ onye Igbo. Na mbọ Fulani esendere gị ka o mewe your president Lazuba attack. Right? Ọ ka ife ọbụla ị na-achọ ka iwete mana ọ bụ na ọ bụla ife ọbụla ị na-achọ ya ka ọ ga n'ezinụlọ gị ga-ekwu ya. Ị ga-ekwu na ya. Obieze. I didn't make Igbo. Like I said, I don't think like you guys. That you have different opinion does not mean that I have to start cooking up fake story. Can let the log bad and back. I'm Igbo. I cannot use Kita and Igbo Fulani. I won't say that. Igbo na Mundi believe na. Igbo one of we believe in our other. Umbani newe. All of them want to believe on here. So I'm going to represent Igbo. I believe. So if you even boy Fulani, Bolo Ngosa best of Fulani, everybody in USB is a Fulani. So, but you are still bothered and worried about Fulani's group. This is Fulani, like why Ocha is complaining about account. Now account are not quite Fulani account. So what is wrong with a Fulani people presented Fulani account and you are still crying? It's okay with the account in there. Of course, talk about account Fulani now. We are all Fulani, we are all Fulani. You believe in these people, and these people don't think, they actually believe that Ajani will power. They actually believe that Ajani will power. Why is Ocha? We never ever react on this video because I'm gonna you go find out maybe somehow funny because a play on voice much. I just respond to you direct without playing much of your video. So that I will be playing your video if I want. Your picture, I will be using it. It's not a platform again to not go much and a platform and a play can go ragonia. A play a play some even the book self. But the kind reporter is not worthy to be in the platform because I'm not a platform man. I want back came a debate for Kunusa but Unu Abodo wound is nana. Okay, mother. Last I'm on age, but I can bet now. You're 50 or 60. A man, something is wrong. He got 40. Yes. Obvious, I want my man for a car when I shut down. I fear my but the mom age, but I'm is only fetch working in terms of he got 2 YM. Obvious. So I don't know your age. I don't know your anything. And I honestly don't even bother about it. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat my words. Makanibo okay, mba. Okay, Aruan again kind of hear respectful. So you saying namu abu oya fulani kind report boy from Mabulon Wajani. Obviously, in few just use 5 minutes. Define or if you wajan. 5 minutes. I dare you to do that. And why is your email target report target? You need the human send the leg send just target to me. Just kwuo ya ndị ga-agwa m na because honestly ọ bụrụ mmadụ na-agwa m some of your video some a na-agwa m like nke a na mmadụ gwa m n'ime na video ịkpọkwana m afọ again nke ebe ikwu maka Stella somebody called my attention as well. I won't lie what even ọ bụghị pride or how it is okay nke m jam video ga-efu ya olulu m nri ata na olulu m mbọcha ị na-ekwu okwu that na ọgụ a bụ na-enye mmadụ content n'ezie gị. Oh yeah, without the USB government, if I gonna on social media says Ghana my video name at numbered ebe go appear. And if it might be and if I'm not that should be a concern to you. Nobody my if man I'm gonna obvious another gamma me fake take and coach man now do na me fake bo no dabo you help code yourself what can hashtag one ebook. Obviously let us hear from you. Ki call him a coach ya in apogin. Osno me invite. Ebe nke gara aga emere gị invite. Isa ha na me make invite. Ebe gara aga emere gị invite. Okwe no go dey dapụta na platform. Nke na aga why is so na make invite? I should invite you. Man, no, can't say make invite in the platform is away. It's not go and grow. That you are the one that platform is away grow. It's not go and grow, yeah, now. Not go in a movie, you sub. So, can't even make invite for. It's supposed to speak in Asia, but on the platform.
Yes, some will be channel here. So, I remember me inquiring, man, who on you.
Okay, on an IV challenge. Sky TV, you know.
I know me. I know me about them. I like you. Why is I said them later head need you may invite. Can't copy a guy when make you invite in our the game now. And all to somehow now somebody build a platform. Now they take a may invite copy on the platform. It's a way build. It's supposed it is speaky, but at any time of nature now. A better way cook. Adma or more way come GS a few days ago. Gabora your business. Now get a message. K4 business got or drum my jam. K3 ga-ajụ enwere gị ekwu okwu but ịchọ ka okwu na adịm agbakwa ọsọ na yọtago adịm achọ okwu but adịm agbakwa ọsọ n'ụdị nka if you want no problem it's up to you make your choice I don't have any issue with anybody mana anyị bịakwa ọ bụrụkwa ịkọ na-ekwu okwu na-agba okwu kirikiri make sure na ị rarụ love ma brain ga-adịta obere sharp so that ekwu okwu n'ife ya fọkụ dan go ịbịakwa na-akọkwa iyo achọọ m iyo ọgbagba nụ nwanne ya efe ịbịa ngọsọ eze egbu maọbụ ụmụaka be anyị ị na-abịa ijide vidio ị na-abịa ijide pikchọ vidio na-ekwu abụọkwa ebe ozu mmadụ dọcha but at least iwizi gị wota ma mechie editing odọkwa mma afụ before mbupụta ịghọtago weta uche ọdụ since anyị afụ emo expose let us tear USB government apart together. Okay? Na ọrụ olu gị mana ị ga-eche ka m fụ ka ị ga-agwa m ka first thing ị need from you, gwa m ka why you success make invite na platform ya. So I want to copy that method, make you invite it. And gwa m ebe nke ị gara aga last time, make invite, ka ị just not the day. I'm just asking. And among all the platform, so some more ikwu na aka build on my platform. So if you even hear them, because which means each of them since 2020, some since 2021, some 2022. So I'm not going to so but all government video so open on 2021, open on my old platform on car. I'm a homo, but all guama okay join. But all guama, I didn't make this join on time or no. I don't want to make good because not only you, everybody that subscribe to my platform, I appreciate you, whether you are in any group where you are. Most of them have actually disappeared though, because I could remember the lady called Diana, who said she's a Yoruba woman. She disappeared after different relegation of Biafra. These are people who said that falling back is the best. In Kiru in Afana go Gekere was also in my platform. In Kiru and Afo was one of the top media. Helen Peters, always on my platform before. Okay, many of them. The one called the BMO. Now on Twitter, Gekere. He's part of it as well. So BSA, of course, I remember your name there. You do come, but you don't talk. Otu kwa chebe ga kwa so make that time but in all ka esu ma na esu ewetele ife wee gba ime go metu obela Africa na ho na ofiko we ya. Otu is Africa ka ejuna. We don't talk, we are not vibrant. But that does not mean that you are not one of my subscribers then. Now I don't know if you are there or not, to be honest with you. I don't know if you are subscribed or you have unsubscribed yourself, which is normal because many have done that. People are still going, even some people in USB now are going away from my platform. Yes, now. I know. Many of them I know. I know their contribution, I know everything. Like I said, you will write in future email. But somebody if you gonna carry report, no na gaffy, no inclusive, like fine, you can go, no problem. Ndị ga anọ ndị ga-ego all I know can tell even name na mada agafe COS USB bụ ebe anọ ọkwa na like ji cutting board na ya na fitting gị na anọkwa ebe anọ oge kere ka ị na-eso isote gị ka ịma mmadụ abụ ugwu a na-ada nda kasị unu jump group nke una jump ka ọ dọrọ gị na ajọ ị na-efegara like that ọ dọrọ gị isi na agwa gị ndị ya you get why so ọ bụ that na ife that na no mistake ka na-eme. You pass them one fall back, tomorrow fall front, another one fall sideways, face sun, face ground, pick pin, jump, crawl. Your phone name that agitation. A guy you like gas, a guy a corn or nog, was or mouse or maybe cable no quack, zero. And if guy is our patapan everywhere. Why is such a poster corona covering here? I know ihe a na-agwa gị abụrụ insult. I'm being real to you. It's a matter of time. Ịchọkwa iberibe ịchọkwa na no problem ịbọcha nwanne. But gị nwa na oge obi eze na-ekwu na ekọ nke na-akọ. Like I said, I'm not saying this because I don't look at your age. I'm somebody who care about people's age a lot. But once if you are not her name, Joy is also first time I called her respect. I was choosing my words. Joy and all that working. I was choosing my word on her. Because I'm now okay to more. But millions now, it is okay now. On has a working now. On goes of goal of land. And as I to say, I saw a bomb to say, I'm new anyway. You don't like to take a strong in our platform. Now, you know, on a platform, you clips in a USB actual got you, not go to a game, my video boss. It's if only on program now, John Majana Kedi, no female, sit on because female. Man, yet neighbor loss. K cancel for sure that's an and run MMS I can't believe or even I can't go play if you want to come if you want to debate. First thing I'm trying to make what happened one more how to invite you and how other people used to invite you. Second thing about you got one more that I show me now so gonna go you watch on come worry book to work on this video. Achọm ka ịpụta ị na-abịa jide evidence gị n'aka nke ọ bụ n'ime na ị ga-ekwu jide evidence gị n'aka onye dị US bịala few days ago or last 2 weeks or last week agwa ya ga weta evidence dukweta m na gị na-ekwu na afụbekwe m ya I have not. Go in Abra, prepare ahead. But the evidence gone in Abra. And I also want to know the topic if I need debate on. Are we debating that now who is getting it right? Or are we because it's not still making fight? Because after last week can be on a platform about debate or anybody where I present a platform, neutral platform or my way. So now as a PA last week now is in no guy now for that na niwe nga pasikare yotago ni ga pata na no do me one me tuto gaga udo de in our the road is free baba ka no mana gina lazuba kokọ isi ọnụ ka ọ gwa gị ife ị ga-eme or maybe ọ ga na WhatsApp call emutu enyi na agwa gị ife ị ga na-ekwu anyị mụkwara ama m because all the good na this kind of manipulation or you to manipulate so gonna communicate men on ground when she talk to me I know I have said that many times on my platform or chọkwa ka m gwa ya personal run ọkwara program send their private of olia so my own adịma ne mmadụ n'anya n'ịbịa ka ọ dị ka because ama m na unu wa ndị ọjọọ karị o wee ebe nkwu unu lazụba asị m that na somebody bụ dibia your dibia m suspect as your dibia bịa na my platform kwuo ife dị aya that na ama m na the person is from you na gịnị a na-arụkọ one or two ọ na-eburu gịnị a na ịma ife na-apị na azụzụ ịbụchi na-ekwu na ịbụ ada mmụọ iche na ada oke na-agba na ilu uko ndị nọ na na-ene n'afịa the thing ị ga-aghọta bụ that na I said that person name is somebody William Oyekachi Oyeka something like that appeared on my program yesterday that was on Friday. Take Friday. It should be Friday or Saturday, I can't recall. But I said that on my video. He twisted sharply. Oh no, Nancy, na somebody call go on a phone. Nah, no, the person boy dibia. Oh, kind report now name Makudo dibia on a phone. If you're gonna kind report about the person, learn how to listen before you react. Because in a video guy, he made that blunder and she watches it and this is how emekwe na the good bele go call bele again and in na say local people na we na akubio man do gani na-ekwu. Be careful. If he na-ekwu, I don't wish anybody bad. I don't wish you dead. But don't wish me. Because I can't tell you. I was telling you that somebody appeared on my own program, not your program. He will present what you will get there. We cause him now what to do. No, not if do you can I am if you're not married. Man, the lock in his seal on that talk. You just keep that part. Anyway, please, my people, I'm gonna end it here. I didn't care. The video is somehow is very long. Obreze, just because I don't watch your program. Unfoka chance wait this side ebe unu kwuru maka mwa. Ololo mo I will react. Ololo mo ambocha mbatu na nkete. But if my number is also in public. Maka aje na ekwu na that my number in public. My own is public. I often share link for you to come. You can come and request for my number. I also have my contact outside there. So you can also, if you want each on no that invitation each on, I will send it to you. Okay? Manina, like I said, get this in ready. First thing, let me know how to invite you. Can do the same way. Why should say maybe invite Nakia? The same way the other places you got going on already. But that's why make invite about. Then get your evidence. Seriously, you can come topic. Maybe you don't want to talk about that. Maybe nature you want to talk about me. Fine. Then let me know the part of the topic I name argue. You know, let me know where do you want us to talk about. Urban or men on ground, I didn't make. Let me let you know now. I don't talk about men on ground, even on my own personal program. I don't do that. You can go anywhere and run your own program and create a platform. It's free. Kuoe makamen on ground. Kui formation makamen on ground. If you just talk about them, age way, gentle. How many letters can we go gentle? So all those things just is up to you. That's my personal. This is my own personal decision. All right. Thank you. Please make sure you like the video and tell me what you think about what the video is all about. God bless you. Good morning.